Did you know that an average person speaks about 150 words per minute but can only type around 40 words per minute? Imagine how much time you could save if you could convert speech into text instantly. Well, that's exactly what Otter AI does. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Otter AI step by step so you can transcribe your meetings, lectures, or interviews effortlessly. Let's dive in. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser, then type Otter AI in the search bar. Now, select the first result that you get. In this opened interface, you will find two options, saying Login and Start for Free. Here, we will be clicking on the Login option, although we don't have any account yet. Now, you can use your Google account, Microsoft account, or your Apple account. I am continuing with my Google account. Now, select your preferred Google account, then click on Continue. You can use your Boost Team Productivity with Workspace option, or you can skip it. Then, you can invite your teammates to your workspace through the emails. Also, you can skip it. Now select how would you like Otter to help you. You can select all that applies. And you have your Otter AI account. Now, after you are signed in this Otter AI interface, you will find the options that you can use to record your audio or import. Here, I am using the import. Select or browse your files that you want to be transcribed. Suppose I am using this one. Now you can see that it is being uploaded in this website. After it is uploaded, the transcribing process is going on here. And once the transcribe is done, click on Go to Transcript option. Here, you can find the transcription you have just created using Otter AI. Here, as you can see that the transcription is divided in parts. If you want the total paragraph in one interface, just click on any line, then click on the edit option. And after a few seconds, you will find that everything is preserved in only one paragraph. You can also view the summary of the transcription. Click on the summary option. And here you can add action items. Also, you can copy summary from here. And if you want to edit from this transcript, just go to the transcript option, click on edit, and then click on the word that you want to be edited. Then insert that word and click on done. Then you can also regenerate the summary based on your editing. Now you can see that your summary is regenerating. After you feel satisfied with the transcription you have just created, click on the three dots on the top right corner, then select the file format and click on the options that you want your file to be in, then click on export. And after clicking on continue to export, you can see that your file will be downloaded directly to your computer. Now that you have seen that how you can edit any of your meetings or get the transcriptions from that, I think you can now do your work more efficiently. I hope now you know how to keep up with this amazing tool. I wish you happy working. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.